Hello and welcome to today's video. Don't drive on a flat tire. As crazy as that sounds, people still do it all the time. Let's start with identifying if you have a flat tire or not. Let's take a look at the red arrow. See how the one leg is lower than the other leg? That means the cart is leaning on one side. Okay? Take a look at the green arrow and you'll see bulges in your tire. And also, if you take a look, you can see some space around the rim in the tire. None of those are a good sign. All of them point to you having a flat tire. Okay, this is why you don't want to run on a flat tire. The sides get worn off and you can't really see much visible damage around the outside of the tire. Let's take a look inside. Do you see all those loose pieces on the inside? Those wires pull off and puncture your inner tube. Okay? So don't ever run on a flat tire. On the left hand side you'll see the inner tube. On the right hand side is the picture of the inside of the tire. You see the waffle or the straight line pattern on the inner tube? That's because the inner tube rubbed so hard up against the tire that it wore off the rubber. And if you see little dabs of rubber on the inner tube, that's where they've actually bonded together. And underneath the A is where the inner tube has a hole in it from rubbing up against and puncturing from one of the strands inside of the tire. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Remember, do not drive on a flat tire. Please like and subscribe.